It happens to every business owner eventually. You are at a checkout counter or buying something online, you reach into your wallet, and you accidentally swipe your business debit card for a completely personal purchase. Or maybe you intentionally need to pay yourself to cover personal bills. The golden rule of accounting is to never mix business and personal money, but when it does happen, you can't delete the transaction from your bank feed. Instead, you need to categorize it correctly as an owner's draw. Let's look at how to record this using the latest layout. To find your live feed, let's head over to the left-hand navigation bar and click on All Apps. Look through your main business hubs, click on Accounting, and then select Bank Transactions. This opens up your active banking screen where all your downloaded accounts sit. Make sure your primary checking account card is active at the top. Under your Pending tab, scroll down your grid and find the specific charge where that business money was spent on a personal expense. Once you find the transaction, look under the Match/Categorize column and click the drop-down menu. Now, this is the most important step. Do not categorize this as a regular expense like meals or office supplies. If you do, you'll artificially lower your business profits and mess up your taxes. Instead, select your owner's draw or owner's equity account. You can also add new account if you don't have it. This tells QuickBooks that you took money out of the company for personal use. Before we save it, click into the memo area and type a quick note like accidental personal purchase. This keeps your audit trail perfectly clear so your accountant knows exactly why this money left the account. Finally, glide all the way over to the far right action column and click Post. The transaction smoothly clears right off your screen. If this updated guide helped you keep your business books perfectly clean and separated, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.